Hello there, this is Brooke Roberts. I'm the webmaster for TASP, and this is a short tutorial about how to access your CPD transcript following this year's TASP convention. In order to access your CPD transcript, you'll need to start off by going to the TASP website at txasp.org. Once there, you'll log in as a member. Remember your username, enter your password, click on Login. Once you have logged in, you'll see the member page, and you can just click on My CPD Transcript there on the right-hand side. As you can see, I attended the keynote session, so it is on my transcript. In order to print your transcript, you'll just click Export PDF twice, and the transcript will show up in a PDF, usually Adobe Acrobat. And you'll see that your transcript is available so that you can submit for your continuing professional development hours, either through the TSPP or through NASP if you're an NCSP or any other regulatory body. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email, webmaster@txasp.org. I'm happy to help you out. These will be posted after convention and after you have completed your session evaluation form.